Hey, I'm Alex from Filed. We just launched ProWork, an AI assistant that works inside the tools your firm already uses: your tax software, Excel, and your inbox. It rides along in a sidebar, doing the work where the work already happens. Let me show you. This is ProWork sitting next to your tax software. It works with CCH Axcess, UltraTax, Lacerte, Drake, GoSystem, and ProConnect. It reads the software directly, and it's already read the client's documents. So your preparers open a draft and never a blank return. And when you send 10 returns over, they'll all process in parallel, and you're free to do other tasks. On review, it checks every number against the source. Here, it's caught a wrong payer TIN on a 1099 NEC. Click the flag, the source document opens, and you can fix or verify right there. A citation on every suggestion, a human on every material change. This is Trace, source documents on one side, the draft on the other. Click any value, and it opens the exact document it came from. Issues show up in red. And it works in both directions. Start from a number on a K1 and see exactly where it landed in the prep, including values rolled over from last year. Reviewers sign off right from this view. Then the Excel add-in. The ProWork add-in builds complete work papers in your firm's own template, not ours. And you can just ask it, analyze this trial balance, build this lead sheet, or generate work papers for this client. And when a client owes you documents, ProWork drafts the emails in your inbox listing exactly what's outstanding. Underneath all of it is firm memory. Every correction your firm makes becomes a rule that applies to every return after for every repair. And your data is never used to train models shared with other firms. And ProWork isn't just 1040s, it handles business returns too. 1065s, 1120s, 1120s, 1041s, and 990s. So that's ProWork. It prepares, it reviews, builds your work papers, and it learns your firm's way of working as it goes. Because the smartest tax engine isn't a model, it's your firm.